Alright, homies and homettes, just wanted to let y'all know I just celebrated my 41st birthday, March 31st. 41 years old, fam. We getting up there. But yeah, as you see, we still keeping that pump going. To celebrate, I'm doing a week-long sale on my coaching website, Beastmode316.com. If you're looking for online coaching, as you see, summer's right around the corner. You trying to get tight? You trying to get crispy? You trying to get hoe ready? Come fuck with me, all right? I also got downloadable programs, the Bro Split, Push-Pull Leg, meal plans. The best time to get 15% off. Use my 15% off code, SPRING15, all right? Thank y'all so much for y'all support. I got more videos coming. I actually got 3 more videos coming. Just gotta edit them for you, all right? Thank y'all again. Here's the video.
Give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. Check it out. I'm at Iron Kingdom Gym. Now, last time I came here, I was with Kelly Burke. Before I start the workout, I got a pump and grind pre-workout. You already know you can get this at TigerFitness.com. And when you get these, get 30 minimum. You know they sell fast. Don't miss out. Like, don't forget to like my shit. So fam, a lot of people when they do dips, they tell me it bothers their shoulder. Maybe try warming up first. You know, when we do dips, we'll typically do 1 or 2 sets, just holding our bodies up to get the central nervous system activated, to get everything nice and warmed up, nice and fired up. As you saw, I moved my feet around. I wiggle my body a little bit to get everything fired up, get those juices flowing, okay? So here we are doing working sets with dips. After I did a couple of warm-ups, then I do my working sets, you know. Just turned 41, fam. Gotta take care of that body, you only get one. So here we are doing this chest press machine. I like it, fam. As you see, I like the way it get a nice deep stretch. Taking my time, making the sweetest love to those reps. Milking them, feeling the pecs come together, squeezing, clapping together. See this, fam? Not only do the handles come out and down, up and in, look right here. You can slide this thing back however you need it. So you know how with a gun, right? The shotgun, the pellets spread out. This is sniper accuracy. You can pinpoint right where you want to hit. This machine's pretty nice. So like I said, fam, I like this machine right here. If I had to compare it to anything, I would say this is like a Smith machine incline press on steroids, the new age version. I like how the hands are individual, right? You're in the lateral. You're able to adjust the bench arch, right? You can slide it forward and back. I like that a lot, fam. Really had those upper pecs on fire. So here we are doing some shoulder press with dumbbells. Did a couple of sets with lighter weight to get nice and deep, working that mobility, coming out into the frontal plane. I mean, there are so many ways to press, fam. You can do parallel grip. I mean, so I'm over here focusing on frontal plane, really opening those shoulder blades up. Again, you gotta have some finesse, you gotta have some technique, you gotta have some mobility, but I like that, okay? Really gives me a nice wide feeling when I push wide. When I pull wide on back day, I mix the angles up, okay? Like I said for years, hit the muscles from a variety of angles. That way you can look good from a variety of angles, okay? So here we are doing a superset right here. supersetting rear delts with some incline dumbbell flies. Now you do not have to superset this, but if you want to challenge yourself and you want to save some time, superset some things, especially on arm days. Now I'm over here showing right here a little mobility. There's multiple ways to execute your flies. Right here we're focusing on coming out nice and wide, pausing at the bottom, and then bringing it on in. This is not only great to really pump that upper chest, but also great for shoulder mobility. I think a lot of people forget that the pectoral girdle and the shoulder girdle, right? The pectoral girdle and the shoulder girdle, they're the same exact thing. So hitting your chest and hitting your delts, they're actually one and the same. They're just different levels of intention. Different levels of intention. When you hit your shoulders, your pecs will be involved. When you hit your pecs, your delts will be involved, okay? So keep that in mind. So hitting flies, you know, you gotta have shoulder mobility because again, shoulder girdle, pec girdle are the same thing. Here we are doing dumbbell pullovers, one arm at a time. That's really great for the serratus and again, a little mobility. So here we are knocking out some tries. These right here is called the French press. We're doing the French press. That's gonna hit the triceps and a little bit of shoulders. Supersetting that with some standing side delt raises. Be looking out for more workouts in the future, fam, because I like to mix it up. You know, you might see one workout where instead of doing dumbbell raises, we go to those cables. You know, we're gonna mix it up a little bit, have a little fun. Stay tapped in with your brother. Here I am doing it. Now that stringer right there, that's old school. I sold that stringer years ago. As you see, it still look crispy. Quality, quality. Speaking of quality, look at those quality reps. Look at those reps, beautiful. Okay, like I said, supersetting with dumbbell raises to hit the side delts, the lateral head. As y'all saw, we did rear delts and side delts, hitting the muscles from different angles. Finishing off the workout with some press downs, taking our time, milking each rep. Again, be looking out for more workouts in the future. And stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm sharing my post-workout meal with you guys, okay? I don't go out to eat every workout, but if I'm recording and I happen to go out to eat, I'll definitely try to share with you guys. Decided to stop by this spot to get some lunch on the way home. It's called Chicken and Pickle. As you see, it's a rainy day. All right, the beast is hungry. All right, fam, the beast is hungry, so what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna focus, there we go. You see that right there? Steak, gyro, and greens. I think I'm gonna get that, add some chicken to it, okay? Get a little more protein. Oh yeah, thank you. All right, fam, post-workout meal. So there it is, fam, push day, had a great session. Be sure to comment below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like my shit. Click that like button, comment, subscribe, and holler back at your boy.
Moment of silence! We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights!